So here is the food haul for today. We stopped at a little roadside market and they were giving away fruits and vegetables. I got me some blackberries, heirloom tomatoes. They may look bad on the outside, but they are delicious on the inside. And they had some little tiny ones. Yum, yum, yum. They had fresh eggs from off the farm. So I'm going to wash those off, clean them up real good. And those are just from the little farm market that was out in the country. Now from the food bank, I got some pork chops. I got some hamburger. So I'm going to make me spaghetti probably tomorrow. I got pork and beans. I got potatoes. Canned potatoes, canned cut greens, or cut green beans. I got collard greens. I got 2 cans of each of these. I got a fruit mix, fruit cocktail, sliced peaches. I got some chicken stuffing. I got au gratin potatoes. Pancake mix. I got plenty of syrup. I got canned tuna and water. I got more eggs from the food bank. I got milk that you can store in your cupboard and not in the refrigerator, but I mix this with my dry milk. When I make milk, I can mix this with my dry milk. They also give out toilet paper, paper towel, and dishwashing liquid. Now we're going to get up close to our vegetables we got from the food bank. We got nice cucumber, big one there, celery, sweet potato. What is this back here? Oh, we got a pear. A couple of pears. We got a pear. Got some more tomatoes. Those look like romaine tomatoes. Some baby squash. I can make a little vegetable medley. Oh, some oranges. Yum, yum, yum. Oranges. I love oranges. Some onion. And that is all. And did I say a sweet potato? Yeah. So that is my haul from the food bank and from our roadside country farm. So you guys will be seeing some of these items on our next cooking. Thanks for viewing this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And just keep on coming back, watching the videos. If there's any ideas you have, let me know. Love you guys. Bye.